Good morning students. Hope you're all fine and staying safe at home. So in today's class we are going to continue the lesson a snake charmer's story. Okay, so what is it we are saying? A snake charmer's story. So what I know the meaning of charmer? Yes, charmer means an entertainer. Okay, a person who entertains the people by playing the beat. Okay, so by playing the beat to make the snake move. So beat means it's nothing but the musical instrument that has been used by the snake charmers. Okay, so snake charmers story. So first let us recall what we have seen in the previous class. So we are studying about the person Aryana. Okay, so the person name is Aryana. So what does he says? Can play beat and make the snake dance. Can play beat and make the snake dance. So what does he say? He says that I have a special quality. Okay, I have a special quality that you people can't able to do, but I can able to do those things. That what is the special quality he is having? Yes, he can able to play the beat. Okay, so I showed how the beat will be. So it's a musical instrument. So this Iron says that he can able to play the beat and make the snake dance. So while playing the beat, what happens? The snake will dance. Okay, it moves. The snake will move. So he says that he can able to play the beat and make the snake dance. We are Kalvaliyas. We are Kalvaliyas. So this Iron says that we people are called as Kalvaliyas. Kalvaliyas means the snake charmers. Okay. My grandfather catches poisonous snakes and tells of his past. My grandfather catches poisonous snakes and tells of his past. So what does he say? Next he says about his grandfather. And what is the name of the grandfather? Roshan Naji. Okay, he says that his father can able to catch many poisonous snakes. So there are poisonous snakes as well as the snakes which is not poison also. But this grandfather can able to catch many poisonous snakes. We are called as sappers. We are called as sappers. So their family, his father, his grandfather, okay, his ancestors are called the snake charmers. So they are called as sappers. So sappers means nothing but the snake charmers are called as sappers. Move from one place to another. So what does these people will do? Yes, these people will go from one village to the another village. Okay, they go from one village to the another village by carrying the snake. So how do they carry the snake? Yes, they will be carrying the snakes in the basket. The basket which is made up of bamboo. Okay, so they move from one village to the another village. So why do they go from one village to another village? Yes, to entertain the people. So to entertain the people, they move from one place to the another place by carrying the snakes with bamboo basket. So move from one place to the another. People gather us to get medicines. People gather us to get medicines. So what happens when the snake charmer comes? Yes, the people will see the snake charmers and they will gather around there. They will gather around there. So why do they gather? Yes, they will gather to see how they entertain them, how they play the beat and how they are making the snake to move. And after the show ends, what happens? They won't go from the place. Okay, so they remain in the same place itself. And why do they remain in the same place? Yes, to get medicines. Okay, so the people won't go the place, or sorry, won't leave the place even after the show ends because they will remain at the same place to get medicine from the snake charmers. They will get money of drinks ingredients. Okay, so where do the snake charmers get the medicines? Yes, they will be collecting it from the forest. Okay, they go to the forest to catch the snake. So, and at the time, what happens? They will collect the medicines for the people. And they will be having a tin box with them. Okay, not only the bamboo basket to carry the snakes, but also they will have a tin box to have the medicines. So we will get money or food grain in return. So what happens? So if they help the people, what the people gives in return? They will give money or food grain. Okay, they will give either money or food grain to the snake charmers. We will identify the snake by its mark. So sometimes the snake charmers will be called by the people. So if a person is bitten by a snake, these snake charmers will be called. So they can't able to go at the right time. Okay, so sometimes they will be very late to go. So after going to the place, what happens? How do they identify the snake which has been bitten? Yes, they will identify by its mark. Okay, so if the snake bites, there will be a mark on the person. Okay, so on seeing the mark, they can able to identify which snake has been bitten. So they have a special quality of identifying what the snake is. So you will identify the snake by its mark. Help farmers. So they will also help the farmers. So where do the farmers work? Yes, they will work in the field. So definitely there will be snakes. So if the farmers saw the snake, they will shout like help, help. So under that time who will go and help? Yes, this snake charmers will go and help to the farmer. Father taught me how to remove poisonous tea and to close the tube of poison. So who teaches him? Yes, this father teaches him how to remove the poisonous tea. Definitely the snake will be having the poisonous tea. So this father teaches how to remove the poisonous tea and to close the tube of poison. So he also teaches how to close the tube. So there will be a tube in the the snake's mouth. So from the tube, he can able to spit the poison. So his father not only teaches how to remove the poisonous tea, but also how to close the tube of the poison. So up to this we have seen in the previous class. So I'll repeat it once again. Can play bean. Okay, so this Aryan can able to play bean and make the snake dance. We are called the riyas. My grandfather catches poisonous snakes and tells of his past. We are called as saffras. Move from one place to the another. People gather us to get medicines. Will get money or food grain in return. We will identify the snake by its mark. Help farmers. Father taught how to remove poisonous teeth and to close the tube of poison. Have you understood up to this, children? Okay, now let us move on to the next part. Aryana, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. Okay. So what is his grandfather says? His grandfather says that your father used to travel with me. So whose father? Yes, Aryana's father will travel with me. So me refers to Aryana's grandfather. Ever since he was a young child. Okay. When he was very young, when he was very small, where do he go? Yes, he goes with his father. He learned to play the bean without being taught. So Aryana's father learned the bean. So of how to play the bean without teaching by anyone. So he learned by himself of how to play the bean. So Aryana, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. The government has made law that no one can catch wild animals. People kill the animals and sell their skin. We people never kill snakes and sell their skin. So the government has made law. So who has made law? The government has made law. And what is the law they have made? That no one can catch wild animals. Okay, so some people will be catching the animals to sell for huge prices. Okay, for their skin, like that. So what has the government made a law? The government made a law that no one should catch the wild animals. People kill the animals. So what do the people do after catching the animals? Yes, they will kill the animals and sell their skin. Okay, so they kill the animals and sell the skin. So the government has made a law that no one should catch animals. We people never kill snakes and sell their skin. So we people. So his grandfather, Aryana's grandfather says that we never kill the snakes. Okay, so we are using the snake to entertain the people, but never we have killed the snakes and sold their skin. So he says that we never kill the snakes and we never sold their skin for prices. So the government has made law that no one can catch wild animals. People kill the snakes and sell their skin. We people never kill snakes and sell their skins. Okay, so the first 2 points are Aryana, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. he learned to play the beat without being taught. The government has made law that no one can catch wild animals. People kill the animals and sell their skin. We people never kill snakes and sell their skin. Okay students, the next point is people say that we keep the snakes in bad condition. If we wander, we do have earned a lot by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure. We pass from one generation to another. So the Arina's grandfather says that the people are blaming us and they are accusing us for. So they are thinking that we are not taking care of the snakes. We are keeping the snakes in the bad condition. But it's not true. He says that it's not true. We are taking good care of the snakes. If we wander, we do have earned a lot by killing snakes. So his grandfather is saying that if we need money, we can kill the snakes by selling their skin. But we never did that. We never did by killing the snakes. But we will never do that. Snakes are our treasure. So he says that snakes are treasure. Treasure means valuable or precious things. So snakes are being very important for their life. We pass from one generation to another. So he says that we are doing this. We are passing this from one generation to the another generation. So Arina's grandfather has done, and his father has done, and now Arina is doing. So they are doing this from generation to generation. So people say that we keep the snake in bad condition. If we wander, we do have earned a lot by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure. We pass from one generation to another. The next point is, we even give snakes to our daughters when they get married. So if the snake charmer's daughter is getting married, so what they will give? Yes, they will give snakes as gift. Okay, they will be giving the snakes as gift to their daughter. So even when we even give snakes to our daughter when they get married. In our Cordelia's dance, we also have movements similar to snake. You have got your father's gift of playing the beat. So Cordelia's dance is a dance that has been danced by snake charmers. Okay. So in our Cordelia's dance, we also have movements. So while playing the beat, what happens? The snake will move. Okay. So to the beat, these people can also able to give movements. So that movement is known as the Cordelia's dance. You have got your father's gift of playing the beat. So he says that you refers to Arinath here. Okay, the speaker is the Arinath's grandfather. So Arinath's grandfather is saying to Arinath that you have been gifted the beat by your father. So he has got the beat from his father only. So it's a gift to him. So in our Cordelia's dance, we also have movements similar to snake. You have got your father's gift of playing the beat. So he not only got the beat as a gift, but he also can able to play without learning. He has learned by himself. No one has taught him. You and your cousins can form a beat party and entertain people. So what does Arina's grandfather say? He says that Arina, you and your cousins can play the beat. So the snake charmers will all play the beat. So he says that you and your cousin can play the beat and you all can entertain the people. So he says that to form a party, okay, to form a party and you all can entertain the people. You should not waste this knowledge about snake you have got from your elders. So he says that you should not waste this knowledge. You have to share this knowledge to the others. Okay, some people won't know about the snakes. So what you have to do, you have to tell them about the snakes. So you should not waste your knowledge. You have got from your elders. He says that you have got from your father and from me also. So you should not waste your knowledge. So you have to tell about the snake to other people. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who lives in towns and cities. So to whom he says to share his knowledge? Yes, he says to share his knowledge to the children. Okay, to the small one who live in towns and cities. So the people, the children who live doesn't know about the snakes. So this grandfather says to Arana to share this knowledge to the children who lives in the towns and cities. Tell them they should not be scared of snakes. So the people who lives in towns or cities, they will be scared of snakes. So the people also scared of snakes. So he says that you have to tell to them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize the poisonous snakes. So there are many poisonous snakes. So you have to teach them. You have to teach them how to identify. So recognize means identify. Okay, finding how to identify the poisonous snakes. Snakes are friends to farmers. So what does he say? How does he conclude? He concludes that snakes are friends to farmers. So they are not the enemies. They are friends to farmers. They guard the field. Okay, so they protect the field. The snakes will be protecting the field. And this was told by the Aranak's grandfather to Arnak. Okay, now let us take on from first. People say that we keep the snake in bad condition. If we wanted, we do have earned the thought by killing snakes. But we would never do that. Snakes are a treasure. We pass from one generation to another. We even give snakes to our daughters when they get married. In our Colvania stance, we also have movements similar to snake. You have got your father's gift of playing the beat. You and your cousins can form a beat party and entertain people. You should not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in towns and cities. Tell them they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize the poisonous snakes. Snakes are friends to farmers. They guard the field.
Children, now we are going to do an interesting activity, shall we? Okay children, what lesson we are doing now? Snake charmer story. Okay children, now I am going to show you how to make the snake in color paper. Shall we start? The materials required for do the snake is take a color paper. Take any color paper. Okay. Take Fevicol. And take one sketch pen. And last, take the scissor. See the materials. Shall we do? Okay children. Okay children. Now take two color papers. Same color. Okay. Now take the edges of this paper. Okay. Now I am going to paste the edges of this paper using the glue. See children. See children. Paste the edges. Okay. Paste like this. Okay children, let's give time to dry this paper. Okay. Shall we start? See here. First, take this side and keep it like this. Okay. And take this part, put it like this. See, and take this part. Bring here. And we have to take this part and put here. Okay. Like this, we have to do till this edges of this paper. Okay, children, you also do along with me. See here. We have to make this color paper like this. Okay. Shall we do till the edges? Okay children. We completed doing the body of the snake. See here. What is this? Snake. Green color snake. See the tail of the snake. See here. In the beginning itself, I told you to paste the edges of this paper. Now we convert this as the tail of the snake. Okay. Now here we have to stick it by using the glue. Okay children, now we completed pasting this edges of this side. Okay, now I am going to cut this side of this paper by using the scissor. See here. Keep it here and we have to cut this side also. Keep this paper also. Okay, see here. Now I am going to show you how to do the snake head. See children, what is this? Red color head of this snake. See the color, green color body and red color snake. Children, take one piece of paper, okay? And you have to cut in this shape. If you think this is hard for you, put the outline from this paper and cut. Okay children, shall we paste it? See children, I am going to paste here. From the top of the head, you have to paste the head in this side. Okay children? Okay children, we completed by pasting the head of the snake by using glue. Now I prepared 2 eyes for this beautiful snake. Shall we paste it by using glue? Come on. Okay children, now we completed the eyes by pasting using the glue. Now I prepared a tongue of this snake. Take one piece of paper, okay, and cut it in this shape, V shape. Shall we paste this tongue? See children, finally we completed pasting the tongue of the snake. See here, what shape this is? V shape. You also practice in your home, okay, how to do the snake in this color paper by using the glues, okay, eyes and tongue and head by using the pieces of papers. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed this session. We'll meet you at the next class.
Okay students, and this is for your home assignment. Write the question answer in your classwork note. Okay, write the question answer in your classwork note. So I will be giving you the 2 mark questions and the details. So you have to write it neatly in your classwork note. And this is for your activity work. Do the craft work snake. Do the craft work snake. So you will all have seen how to do the snake using the color paper. So you have all watched in the video. So you have to do the craft work snake. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Thank you everyone.